Today is Wednesday, May 16th. The time is 11:44 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011 Panini Crown Royale football box break, break number 15. This break is sponsored by DCS Sports Cards. www.dcsportscards.com. Good luck, everybody. Chad Henne, Dolphins. Next for the Titans, Jake Locker, patch, autograph, serial number 23 out of 50. Titans again, Jamie Harper. Bears, rookie, Stephen Pay. Panthers, Steve Smith. Dolphins, Reggie Bush. Crown Jewel rookies, Leonard Hankerson. Redskins. Raiders, Taiwan Jones. Patch, serial number 46 out of 50. Majestic, Peyton Hillis, Browns. Eagles rookie, Danny Watkins. All Pros, Raiders, Nnamdi Asomugha. Seahawks, Zach Miller. Knights of the Gridiron, Clay Matthews. Packers. Calling all captains, jersey, Antonio Gates. Chargers, serial number 98 out of 299. Calling all captains, Tony Gonzalez, Falcons. Jets rookie, Jeremy Curley. Royalty, Steelers, John Fugu. Cowboys, Tony Romo. And the last pack, Brandon Lloyd, Blue Crown, Broncos, serial number 1 out of 100. Buffalo Bills, Marcel Darius, jersey, serial number 237 out of 299. Art Monk, Redskins, Living Legends. Patriots, rookie, Nate Solder. Kings of the NFL, Mark Sanchez. Jets. And the last card, Drew Brees, Saints. Thank you everybody for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Ending today for 2011 football, I have Panini Prime Signatures. Also listed for 2011 football, Panini Limited and Panini Gold Standard. I will be listing more football throughout the week. If anyone's interested in hockey, for 2011-12 hockey box breaks, I have both Panini Certified and Upper Deck SPX game used.